This is how to create a Canva account. What you need to do first is to what? You go to canva.com. Once you go to canva.com, it brings you up to this page. It says sign up. Sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook, continue with your email, or just make it simple. Click on with your Google account. Then you say continue as. After these steps, Google will think about it, confirm if you're a true user, that you have an account and you truly want to continue with Canva. Canva will confirm your identity with Google, and boom, it is created. So you just say continue. Log in faster if you want to save all of this, but you can skip that for now. And then you're in Canva. Welcome to Canva. Yeah, you can start